In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text in Excel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Excel sheet, right? So I've already compiled some items into each Excel blank sheet here. So what I need to do, we want to wrap up this text we have just written into this Excel sheet here, right? So what we need to do, we need to at first adjust these columns, right? Let it look good. Yeah, so hold it, adjust it. So I've adjusted mine. Now what I need to do now, once I'm done with the adjustment, you would simply come on here and highlight these items, right? Once I've highlighted it, you would click on this wrap text. This is it. Just click on it. Once I've clicked on it, it will make all the content visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. I'll click on it. I'll click on it. So you can see this. This is how you can wrap your tests on Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.